This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julia Shea. Located in desirable Colonial Place, this incredibly charming cottage-style home pairs vintage character with modern updates. Gorgeous hardwood floors greet you as you enter the sunlit dining area, complete with a recently installed gas fireplace. The attached screened-in porch is a great spot to enjoy your morning coffee or just take in the breeze on a warm day. The large living area is an ideal spot to entertain, featuring considerable cabinet and counter space as well as room for a mobile island. The kitchen also provides access to the spacious utility room and attached garage, a rare find in Colonial Place. 2 sizable bedrooms and a charming bath with updated vanity complete the footprint of this unique home. Many recent updates including new plumbing 2024, widened driveway 2023, new windows, gutters and gas fireplace 2021. HVAC replaced in 2020. Just minutes from countless shops and restaurants on Colley Avenue, this one is not to be missed. February 24, 2025 for more